Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove text from a picture in Canva, and there will be two methods that I'm about to demonstrate in this video. So I have this picture that says a stop sign, and I want to remove this text from this sign because I want to replace it with something else. Anyway, I'm going to select this picture and click edit, and after that you want to click magic eraser. And you want to either use the brush method or the click method. So the click method is essentially using AI to figure out the elements in this picture, and then you can select it and then you can remove it, but it's usually not going to work well for text. That's why I recommend just using a good old brush, and you have to manually select the text that you want to remove from the picture. This could be tedious and probably a bit more annoying, but I think this is going to give you a much better and much more accurate result. You don't have to do it perfectly because the AI will understand what you are trying to remove, and after that you can click erase and just wait until the AI in Canva figure out the content that you want to remove, and eventually it will eliminate that from the picture. So this is the result. I think it looks really great. Anyway, there is also another method that you can try, which is kind of similar, but I think it's slightly better because you are not removing the text, you just isolating the text so you can do whatever you want with the text. So let me undo the process, and I'm going to select this picture again, still on the edit menu. You want to click magic grab or grab text. I think grab text is a lot better for this particular purpose. And I do recommend using the click method, and this click method will figure out the text, and you can click on the text and click grab. Again, just wait until the AI finishes its working, and after that you should be able to isolate this text from the rest of the image, and that is the result. So this is the text, and this stop sign is now empty. And of course I could customize the text to other text however I want, and yeah, that is basically it. That's how you can remove text from an image in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.